We had two existing roofs. Got these dormer vents. We're gonna replace them with new. As you can see, you got one layer there, got a second layer there. It's coming out great too. All the pipes will be new, flashings, chimney of course. This here, we got some roof jacks, so we'll just place them right under. Raise up the unit carefully about an inch, just to remove all the existing material under. And then once you put your new underlayment shingles, then we carefully place it down and bolt it. That's going to be coated. And then we got a flat roof. This one right here is going to have some rod. We're going to replace it. We're going to be adding 1/2-inch insulation and TPO membrane. We try to tell homeowners about the TPO as much as we can. Tar is very hot, just like that. Very, very hot. It tears easily, breaks during the years, of course. Let me show you. See this edge here? All this here, all this was coming off, and it leaked all around the perimeter. And that's what it does, it breaks. Tears off, look at this. Here. It'll be good. Steep flat roofing. We got you covered.